How to create a Koho account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Once you're in the home page, in the source bar, search for Koho account sign up. You need to head over to the very first site. Click on it. It will land you on the official page of Koho. Now scroll down and you'll see the option of Open Account. You need to click on Open Account. It will be landing you on this page. In order to sign up, enter the email address that you're currently using, and after that, also create a password for your account. Make sure that the password meets the criteria. Once done, tap on Create Account. You can save the password. Now, enter the first name, your last name, and also the date of birth. Once you have entered, click on Next. Enter your address. Search for the specific address that you are currently living, and then select it. Tap on Next. Now enter your occupation. Once you've selected, click on Next. Now you will have to enter your phone number, and if you have the referral code, you can add them and then click on Next. After that, your account will be created successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.